Hey you guys, I'm Amari. Welcome to my channel Poetry of the Cosmos. For some reason today I felt like doing a tarot card reading, and this is the tarot card deck that I've been pulled towards. I find this very soothing, very calming, and filled with rich life lessons, and I call it the wisest part of my deck collection. So it's the Bhagwat Geeta deck, this one. Amazing, and I'm gonna pull out just one card for the day, okay? And the message is, it's a big one, heavy, and a big deck. It's been a while since I have shuffled cards, but we'll see what comes up, and it'll be probably a message from me also, as it always is. Something in the part of the messages for the reader, and let me know if anything resonates. Okay, so this is the message that came for you. Let me read it out. The sacred Om. There is a Sanskrit chant or a mantra here. Rasoham apsu kauteya prabhasmi sasi suryayo pranava sarva vedesu sabda ke paurasam narsu. Okay, so I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but it means that I am fresh taste of water, the light of the sun, the moon, and I'm sacred syllable Om. In the Vedic mantra is the sound in ether and the ability in man. Okay, the message for the day is the sacred sound of Om, and this is the photo, so beautiful. Let me know if there's anything in this that is personally important to you or relates. Okay, so I think what I'm getting from this message is maybe you need to practice a new spiritual practice or a ritual in your life. It could be something as simple as chanting a mantra that is like Om Namah Shivaya or Om, because from what I have heard, chanting the mantra Om actually regulates your nervous system, the vagus nerve that is responsible for your maintaining calm during a stressful event, like any stress response, it calms it down. So do your own research on that, but I think that is kind of part of the message. And yeah, I hope this resonated for some of you or all of you or none of you. I don't know about that, but if it did, then do share and let me know in the comment section. This was nice because this is something that I feel very much connected to myself as well, but I do know I'm not projecting because I feel more like this was a message for me as well. And if this was something that you felt good by listening to, like it reminded you that hey, there's a ritual or a habit that helps you in your daily life to regulate your nervous system or just sort of maintain calm in your daily life, or just have some spiritual ritual. It doesn't even really have to be spiritual. I'm only saying that because this is the message, is the sacred Om. So whatever that means to you, I don't know what that could be, but think about it and hope it helps. Until next time, bye.